Hey guys, today I will be using a lace closure from DIVASWIGS. Now I have done a few collabs with DIVASWIGS in the past, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a few of the updates they have done to their lace closure wigs. Okay, so let's take a look at the inside of this lace closure wig. So I've never seen a lace closure wig or a wig in general with the hair sewn inside the cap. So I'm not sure if this is like a new thing for Divas wigs, but I'm hoping that it doesn't affect like the actual install on this wig. It's really interesting, honestly. So the inside of this wig is pretty standard, where it comes with combs pretty much on the side, the crown, and in the back of the wig. And then with a lace closure wig, you do get limited parting space, but you're able to do a middle part, side part, but just not maybe have baby hairs all the way around the perimeter of your head. I know lace frontals are so popular right now, but sometimes you can get the same look with a lace closure and half the price. So in this video, I want to share with you guys how I style this lace closure wig. I want to say this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. I want you guys to take a look at the parting space on this wig. This is a good amount of parting space on a lace closure. Normally you don't get this amount of parting space on this type of wig. So because I am doing a side part, I am going to shift the wig just a little bit. So now that I have the wig fitted to my head and I have parted my hair, I can definitely see the improvement on the knots and the lace on this wig. So with Divas Lace Wigs, what they have done is improved their bleach knots called Kamo knots, and they have also upgraded a realistic hairline. Now I did have to go in and pluck the hairline on this wig, so I'm not really sure how I feel about the realistic hairline upgrade, just because I did go in and pluck the lace closure. And with lace closures, you do have to go in and pluck just to make sure you don't get that boxy look. So this wig is 24 inches, and the lace type on this wig is a super fine invisible Swiss lace with a transparent lace color, which is supposed to be suitable for all skin tones. So as you can see, the lace on this wig is really pretty, especially considering it is a lace closure. So I am going in with a wax stick. This is from my first wig. Now I love their wax stick. It is amazing. It's super light on the hair, and I just had no idea how amazing it was until I tried it out in this video. So here I am going to take out some hair around the hairline just to show you guys how good the knots look on this wig and how this transparent lace really blends into my skin without using any type of glue or gel. And of course I'm also going to add a little bit of baby hairs to this side part by using the Got to Be gel, and then after I have done my hairline, I am going to go in with a flat iron and just do a couple of passes through the hair just to get a smooth look, and I should be done. And the last final touch is to add a little bit of spritz to tame any type of flyaways. This wig did not have any, but it's just always a habit to do so. Look how beautiful this lace closure wig is, and look how full the texture is. That is another improvement with DIVASWIGS. Their wig density is a lot more heavier now, or higher I should say, so you should be expecting to get more fuller wigs now. Also, I like that I did not have to spend a whole lot of time trying to get my lace closure to blend. Having to do way more work to the lace and getting the hairline to blend and doing baby hairs. You guys know how I normally do my hair, so I was really surprised that I didn't have to do all that and the time was cut in half, and I was able to spend more time with my daughter because it took me less time to do. the quality of this wig and how good this lace closure blends into my skin. Y'all, this is definitely a wig to have in your collection, especially if you don't want to spend all day trying to get your lace to look right and so that you don't look crazy. So everything that you need to know about this wig will be below in the description bar, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.